Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve an Excel assignment. It's basically chapter 4 of the Excel part of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you want me to do any other part like Word part, Assess part, or a PowerPoint part, or if you want me to do your complete Cengage course, Simnet course, or Pearson course, or if you want me to do your math course, stats course, finance course, accounting course, QuickBook course, nursing course, psychology course, and if you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want to get an A grades in your assignments, you can deal with me for your complete course or any other assignments, and I will assure you an A grade in your entire course. Now I am going to start that one assignment, and you can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Now I am going to start this one assignment. Its name is YO22 Excel chapter 4 Prepare Spa Sales. That's our project name, and that's our project description. You can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. In our first step, what is he asking? He is asking start Excel download and open the file name. Excel chapter 4 Prepare Spa Sales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are sorting your file. Our first step involves downloading of the Excel file from the Pearson dashboard and opening that one file. I have already downloaded and opened that one file. That's our file. In our second step, what is he asking? To quickly identify the values of the data series, you will modify the existing pie chart on the table use worksheet by adding data labels on the table use worksheet. So we will go to the table use worksheet. That's our table use worksheet. And what next he is asking to do? Add the data label to the pie chart to show only percentage of each section. So we will select the pie chart. That's our pie chart. We will go to the data labels and show only the percentage. So we will go to the more option and uncheck the values option and select the percentage option. That's now percentage is showing for the each one, and apply style 3 to the chart. So we will select to go to the chart design and select the chart 3 style. That's our chart 3 style that we have applied to the chart. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? You would like to use the pie chart in the future presentation and would like to easily isolate the and print the chart. To facilitate this, you will move the chart to a new sheet. On the table use worksheet, move the chart to a new sheet name as a table use chart. So we will copy that one name of the sheet, copy that one and select the chart, and here in the chart design select the chart as a move chart and select the sheet name as a new sheet and make this one as a table use chart and press OK. So now chart is moved to a new our sheet and new sheet name as a table use chart. That's our step number 3. On the table use chart, enter 13 in the cell B16. So we will go to the table use chart and go to the cell B16. We will go to the table use chart and in the cell B6, in the cell B6 type 13. That's our cell B6. We will type here, change it here 12 to 13 and press enter. And now go to the view the changes in the table use chart. Now when I click the table use chart, there is a change. You see, you will see that one. That's our table use chart. You see there is a change here. That's our step number 3. In our step number 4, what is he asking? To aid in the analysis of the data, you would like the data on the product data worksheet to be organized and presented in an effective graphical manner to compare the total number of massage given over an 8-week period. On the product data worksheet, create a clustered column chart using the data in the cell range A2 to B12. So we will go to the product data worksheet. That's our product data worksheet. We will select A2 to B12. Go to the recommended insert tab and select the recommended charts. That's our recommended charts. Which chart he is asking to use now? Clustered column chart, and move the chart to a new sheet name as a total massage chart. We will copy that one. Select the clustered column chart and press OK. So clustered column chart is insert it to our sheet, and then in the chart design select the chart location and select move chart and select the new sheet and rename that one sheet here as a total massage chart and press OK. So now our chart is moved to a new sheet name as a total massage chart. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Next, you will create a simple pie chart that will show the proportion of the total revenue each of the 4 different massage types earned for the spa in the month of June. On the revenue worksheet, create a pie chart using the cell range A1 to E2 and move and resize the chart so the top left corner is in the cell I3 and the bottom right corner is in the cell O17. So we will go to the revenue worksheet and select A1 to E2 revenue worksheet and select which range is asked. A1 to E2 revenue worksheet A1 to E2. That's our cell range A1 to E2. We will go to the insert tab and we will select the recommended chart, and which chart he is asking to select, that one pie chart. That's our pie chart. We will insert that one and move the chart so the top left corner is in the cell I3 and the bottom right corner is in the cell O17. So we will go to the that one I3 and our bottom right corner is in the cell O17. So we will drag that one here. That's our cell O17 here. That's our step. We have inserted a chart for the range A1 to E2. That's our step number 5. In our step number 6, what is he asking? You will create a line chart displaying the daily revenue by massage type in the June. Each day will appear as a point on the line that is created and each massage type as a separate line on the chart. On the revenue worksheet, create a line chart using the data in the range A4 to E35. So we will select A4 to E35. That's our range. We have selected the wrong sheet, and I will do this step one again. We'll delete that one. And we will select, he tells us select the A1 to E2 and insert a pie chart. So we will select the pie chart. That's our pie chart. We will make that one to I3 to O17. That's in the range I3 to O17. What next he is asking to do? On the revenue worksheet, create a line chart using the data in the range A4 to E35 and move and resize the chart so the top left corner is in the cell I20 and bottom right corner is in the cell I14. So we will select A4 to E35. That's our range A4 to E35. We will select that one. We will go to the insert tab, go to the recommended charts and select the line chart. That's our line chart. We will insert that one. That's now inserted. What next we need to do? Top left corner is in the cell I20 and bottom right corner is in the cell O34. That's our top left corner is in the cell I 20 and O34, that's in the cell range O34, that's in the required range, and enter the chart title as a January revenue by massage type. So we will copy that one and paste it as a chart title. That's our chart title. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? Next, you will create a stacked bar chart that will assist in visualizing the status of the project to redesign the massager therapy room. On the redesign project worksheet, create a stacked bar chart using the range in the cell range A3 to A8 and C3 to C8, and move the chart so the upper left corner is in the cell A10. So we will go to the redesign worksheet. That's our redesign project worksheet. For this range, we will need to insert. We will select A4 to A10, A3 to A8, and C3 to D8. So we will select A3 to A8 and C3 to C8 and go to the insert tab and select the recommended charts, and which chart he is asking to insert. That one, insert a stacked bar chart. We will select the stacked bar chart. That's our stacked bar chart. We will insert that one and insert it in the cell A10. So upper left corner is in the cell A10. Enter the chart title as a project redesign status. So we will copy that one and paste it as a chart title. That's our chart title. We'll paste that one as a chart title. Project redesign status. That's our step number 7. In our step number 8, what is he asking? You have a data for a survey showing the request temperature of the rooms used for the massage and the age of the customer. This data may reveal important information about what temperature is typically requested by the customer in the age group. On the survey worksheet, create a scatter chart using the data A2 to B53. Move but don't resize the chart, so the upper top left corner is in the cell A2. So we will go to the survey worksheet. That's our survey worksheet. We will select the range A2 to B53. That's our range. We will go to the insert tab and select the recommended charts and select the scatter chart. That's our scatter chart and press OK and move that one chart to the cell range F2. So the upper left corner is in the cell F2. So we will move that one upside, drag that one like that, or just press Ctrl plus X and go to the F2 cell and paste it by pressing Ctrl plus V. That's our thing. And added the chart title desired room temperature by age. So we will copy that one and paste it as a chart title. That's our chart title. Desired room temperature by age. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? You want to create a chart to further understand the differences in the types of the massage given over the past 8 weeks at the spa. You are practically inserted in pregnancy, thigh and heart stone massage. On the product data worksheet, create a stacked area chart. So we will go to the product data worksheet. That's our product data worksheet. That's our chart. What is he asking? Create a stacked area chart using the range A16 to I20. So we will select A16 to I20. A16 to I20. Go to the insert tab, select the recommended chart and select the area chart, stacked area chart. Area chart, move and resize the chart so the top left corner is in the cell D2 and bottom right corner is in the cell I12. So we will select that one chart and press OK. And where we need to paste that one, upper left corner is in the cell D2. That's our range D2, and lower right corner is in the cell I12. That's our required place where we have pasted our chart. And what next? He is asking enter the chart title as a massage types over 8-week period. So we will copy that one and paste it as a massage title, chart title. That's our chart title. That's our step number 9. In our step number 10, what is he asking? Next, you will analyze the quantities of the spa product sold from the previous year sales and compare the result to the profit over the same time span. On the spa sales worksheet, create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart using the data in the range A2 to C13. So we will go to the spa sales worksheet. That's our spa sale worksheet. We will select A2 to C13. That's our range A2 to C13. We will go to the insert tab, go to the recommended charts, and in the all charts you will go to the combo charts and select clustered column line on secondary axis and press OK. That is chart is inserted to our, and enter the chart title as a profit by quantity sold. So we will copy that one and paste it as a chart title. That's our chart title. We have pasted that one. That's our step number 10. In our 11th step, what is he asking? You were just provided with the December data for the quantity and profit for the spa, so you want to add the information to the chart on the spa sale worksheet. On the spa sale worksheet, type in the cell A14 as a December. So we will go to the spa sale worksheet and in the cell A14, that's our cell A14. We have already pasted that one. You will paste that one, and then this will be added to your chart 175 and 1901.43. These values you will paste and then drag that one chart downside, so it will be included like that. I will show you how you will include that one. You will just drag that one upside, and when you type that one December values, you will drag that one, this one downside, so December will be added to the chart. That's our step number 11. We have total 29 steps in this assignment. I have performed 11 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you want me to do your complete Cengage course, Simnet course, or Pearson course, or if you want me to do your complete math course, stat course, finance course, accounting course, or QuickBook course, nursing course, psychology course, computer science course, or if you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want to get an A grade, you can contact with me. You can deal with me for your complete course, and I will assure you an A grade in your complete course. And you can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.